All right, these are all the parts. They gave you the tools necessary. We're gonna put this together, right, and set it up on our desk. So it's very simple. Instructions are included to also just to put it together. Now this could hold a lot of weight. That's where we're gonna get this going because I'm a big guy, and I'll show you how much weight it can hold. All right, here's a heavy duty chair that we just built right now. Now, what I like about this chair, it could carry a lot of weight, and I am a big guy, so very comfortable. Now this is not going to reach all the way to your neck, all right? It's pretty much shorter than that, but the best part is very comfortable. You can move your back all the way back. The cushion is very one of those memory foams. It has these hand rests that are also made from the same material. It took us about maybe 20 or 30 minutes to put together. It was very, very simple. All the tools were included. All the instructions, very thorough, very intuitive. The whole thing itself is very comfortable, and it has a couple of features that you should know. I'm going to show you a couple of things here. You have the elevator set up for your back support, removing the actual lock that's in place so you could send all the way to the back, 45-degree angle. Plenty elevation. It has all the 5 wheels that require. Very smooth. It works very good in carpet, hardwood floor. Now, this chair is made to carry large weight, just like me. It's very wide too also, so you don't have to worry about actually the hands rest getting in your way. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. All right, so as you can see, I got plenty of space. I'm about over 200 pounds on this one. I got to bring it down just a little bit so I won't dangle my feet. The best thing about it, it's level with the actual desk. Now, like I said, this button here, elevator down, elevator up. If you want to push it back to your back, you push it back out and you're able to swing. If you want to bring it and lock it in place so you won't have to balance it out, it locks in place. Now, it does have plenty of back support. I like that stuff, but it does not reach my neck or anything else. It's perfectly made for if you're going to be gaming all day or working in front of a computer. It has this strong hand support that you can pick yourself up from here and bring yourself back down. Now this thing, I jumped so many times on it. It's heavy duty chair and it's wide. It's perfect for those that are looking for a very nice, comfortable chair, easy, inexpensive, and especially if it can hold a lot of weight. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.